Hello friends! This is another video to talk about comparisons. At this time, we have the sentence family. Let's take a look at the names of the characters first. To start from the left to the right, we have Homer, Bart, Maggie, Lisa, and Marge. We have many possibilities to write sentences about comparisons. We can say that Homer is fatter, mais gordo, or we can say that Homer is taller, mais alto. We can also say that Homer is older, mais velho. For example, Maggie, she's a baby, so she's very young. She is younger than Marge. Ela é mais jovem que a Marge. Marge is thinner than Homer. A Marge é mais magra que o Homer. We can also say that Bart is older than Maggie or Bart is younger than Marge. Let's go to the sentences. We have some examples. Homer is fatter, mais gordo, than Marge. Bart is older than Maggie, mais velho. Maggie is shorter than Lisa, mais baixa. Lisa is younger than Bart, mais jovem. Marge is thinner than Homer, mais magra. I hope you understood. Bye bye. See you later, alligator.